Hey guys, Dan in Japan here. So I went for a big bike ride yesterday, put some pictures up on Facebook for family and friends, and my legs are killing me. They are hurting so much. So I can't sleep at the moment. So it's probably about 10 to 5 at the moment in the morning, and so yeah, I decided to go for a little bit of a bike ride, not a big one. Come out here and I hear cicadas at 5 o'clock in the morning. So check what a 5 o'clock in the morning in Japan looks like. So yeah, up on the mountains it's still a bit foggy, just a bit. And if we go over to the forest of sorts that's over the other side of the train tracks, all you can hear is cicadas. So some of the friends at home will hear the cicadas and they'll know exactly what I'm talking about and why I'm a little bit scared of cicadas. But yeah, it's out of the way of the pole a bit. We'll look over Lake Villa a bit, and you can't really see it from here. Oop. So yeah, Dad, if you're watching this, you did say this is the land of the rising sun, and what time does the sun come up? It's starting to get bright, and it's a cloudy day, and it's not. The sun hasn't come up, so pretty early. So yeah, and for those watching who don't know about the glasses, yeah, I wear glasses nighttime. So yeah, so till next time, stay tuned. Oh, and to the user who asked the questions about setting up in Japan and what I wasn't expecting when I got here, that video will come very soon. Trust me. I've got a little bit to do this week, so expect it on the weekend sometime. So yes, so stay tuned. Till next time.